Did you know that precision is the key to success in entrepreneurship? It's not just about having a great product or service, it's about establishing a strong connection with your customers. In today's digital age, mastering entrepreneurial precision is more important than ever. You have to understand your customers on a deep level, know their needs, and deliver exactly what they want. But how do you establish that strong customer connection? It starts with understanding the power of data. By collecting and analyzing customer data, you can gain valuable insights into their preferences, behavior, and buying patterns. Once you have a clear understanding of your customers, you can tailor your products or services to meet their specific needs. Precision in entrepreneurship means going beyond the generic solutions and delivering a personalized experience. But don't stop there. Communication is key. Interact with your customers, listen to their feedback, and respond promptly. Whether it's through social media, email, or in person, be available and accessible. Show your customers that you value their opinions and are dedicated to providing the best experience possible. Remember, precision in entrepreneurship isn't a one-time effort, it's an ongoing commitment. Continuously monitor your customers' needs and adapt your strategies accordingly. Stay ahead of the competition and keep innovating to provide that exceptional customer experience. By mastering entrepreneurial precision and establishing a strong connection with your customers, you can build a loyal customer base and take your business to new heights. So, embrace the power of data, personalize your offerings, and engage with your customers. Thanks for watching this video on mastering entrepreneurial precision. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights to help you succeed in your entrepreneurial journey.